Hello, my name's Ryan Douglas and I will be showing you guys how to field strip an M4 carbine. The M4 has many different components. It's split up into two parts: the upper receiver, which has the barrel and the bolt carrier group, and the lower receiver, which has the trigger and the buffer tube and stock. There are many different parts of the M4. Starting from the rear, there's a buttstock, the buffer tube, the sling mount, the grip, trigger guard, magazine well, magazine release button, the ejection port with the dust cover closed. You have the forward assist, charging handle, the rear sight, the delta ring, the handguard or rail, the front sight post, the barrel, and the muzzle. On the other side, we have the bolt release and the safety selector. To take apart an M4, you push this button, the pin here, and pull it out the other side. That will allow you to open it. This is the trigger assembly group with the hammer. If you put this on fire and pull the trigger, the hammer will go forward. If you pull the charging handle back, you will have the bolt. This is the bolt face, which strikes the end of the round. This is the charging handle. To put this all back together, simply put the charging handle in, take the bolt, push it back forward, put the M4 back together, and close the pin, and close the ejection port, dust cover. That is the basics of an M4. This is the 30 round magazine that goes in it, full. When you take it apart, never have the magazine in the weapon, and always make sure that it's cleared and on safe. Thanks for watching the video.